In today's video, I'll show you how to get the pre-installed Apple Image Playground app on your iPhone, even if it's missing from the App Store or showing as unavailable. Let's get started. First, make sure your iPhone is updated to iOS 18.2 or later. The Image Playground app requires this update to work. Open the Settings app, scroll down, and tap the General, and then select Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. This update is essential for the app to work. If you accidentally or intentionally deleted the Image Playground app and can't seem to find it in the App Store, first, enable Apple Intelligence on your iPhone. Open the Settings app, scroll down to Apple Intelligence and Siri, and ensure the toggle for Apple Intelligence is turned on. This setting is essential for accessing the app. Next, check your English language and region set to United States settings. Go to the Settings app, scroll down, and tap on General. Again, scroll down and tap on Language and Region. Set the language to English and the region to the United States. These settings might be necessary to download the app in some regions. In addition, if the app still doesn't appear in the App Store, you must adjust your Apple ID region. Your Apple ID must be associated with the United States to download the app. You can use an existing US-based Apple ID or create a new one to change your Apple ID region. If you don't have a US-based Apple ID, open the Safari app and visit the official Apple website at applied.apple.com. The link is given in the video description so you can create a new Apple ID. When filling out the form, make sure to select the United States as the country or region. You don't need a credit card to set this up. Once your new Apple ID is ready, tap your profile icon, scroll down, and sign out of your current Apple ID. Then, log in with your newly created US-based Apple ID. After signing in, search for Apple Image Playground again in the App Store. You should now see the app available for download. Tap the cloud icon with the arrow to reinstall it. Once the app is installed, you can switch back to your original Apple ID. Simply return to the App Store, sign out of the US-based Apple ID, and log in with your usual Apple ID. Apple ID won't delete the Image Playground app from your iPhone. And that's it. Get a detailed video on how to use Image Playground in the Messages app, and use Image 1 in the Notes app given in the video description. If this video is helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Free Tech Guide for more tips and tricks.